Yes, sir. Yes. Tomorrow, actually, what's the time now in your country now?
Well, in my country, it's almost 8 a.m. You are 10 hours ahead.
Sanskruti, इकडे बघ. Please, लवकर इकडे. Just, now time is here. Your
Yeah, it's 8 a.m. on the
8
morning,
p.m. Oh,
and for you it's
here is 7 p.m.
yeah. So it's if it's 1 p.m. in Canada tomorrow for the mystery Skype game, it's gonna be 10 p.m. for you. So it's late.
Let me calculate. Let me calculate. 1 minute. Please, let me calculate. Are you? Yes, yes.
No problem. Si des fois ils le font, il n'y a pas de problème, ouais. Surtout en Inde. Ouais. Parce qu'ils adorent connecter. Beaucoup plus que nous on aime. Ça les dérange pas. Même des fois, j'ai des élèves qui à 10 heures du
Yes, sir.
soir connectent en Inde.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Enfin, pas du
Now,
tout le même.
now here is time. Indian time is 6 p.m. Okay, and your time is 8 a.m.
Yeah. But I looked on Google and they said that it's you 10 hours ahead.
We are
No, you are. You are.
yes, I'm
So when it's 1 p.m.,
okay.
when it's 1 p.m. here in Canada,
Yes.
it's plus 10 for you.
Okay.
So when I will call you, it will be 10 o'clock at night. So that's why I was asking you if it's not too late for you, which I understand.
Sir, sir.
You know, you have your family, you have things
When
to do.
you will call when you will call to us tomorrow?
It's my call tomorrow can only be because I'm a high school teacher
Yes.
and my class with those guys starts at 1 p.m., which is 10 p.m. for you. So
1 p.m. to 1 p.m. Your school starts 1 p.m. Then ends.
no. It's my class. My class with those specific students because I have different students depending of the day, you know. Then I have, so if I call you tomorrow, it's going to be 10 p.m. That's it. Is it too late for you or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So maybe we will try another time then when
Yes,
it's
sir.
not too late for you.
Actually, every day my school is 10 a.m. to 4 a.m. My school timing is
Yeah.
6 hours.
Okay. I see.
But
Well, we will. If next time I will pick a time that is on the
no problem.
morning
No
in
problem.
Canada, and then it's easier for you.
Sir,
Okay.
no
We'll
problem.
call later.
Tomorrow I will call to my students on online. They will connect with on in our session.
Okay. So we'll schedule something later in January. Okay.
Tomorrow you will connect 1 p.m. in your time, and my time will be 10 p.m.
Yeah, but is it
correct?
too late for you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it too late? Is it okay for you tomorrow?
It is too late, but I will try because I'm from 1 year. I'm trying to search out one Canadian teacher, but you are one teacher. I'm connected with you, so I will not miss this chance.
Okay. Well, so I call you. Do you want to use Zoom?
Oh, yes, no problem.
Yeah. I'll say I will send you the link tomorrow. Okay.
Which sir? If you will arrange the time, suppose 6 a.m. it will be very better to us. Is it possible?
No, my only possibility is it's 10 p.m. for you tomorrow.
Okay. Sanskruti,
So I have no other room for another time. So that's why.
you
Okay.
will.
Shankar, I have to let you go because I have to prepare the kids and everything. We will text. Okay. We text.
I will go my daughter. Just wait. You see this is my daughter. Hello.
Hello, daughter. This is my kids.
Oh wow, very Very good, very good. Sharia. Yes, 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 yes. She's 14 years old.
Ah, it's 10 years old.
Yes,
Juliet
yes.
is 10 years old. You guys can introduce yourself.
9.
9. And we have a 6 years old.
Wow.
6.
Good, good.
Ah,
Yes, very good, very good.
yeah, we have to let you go. Nice to meet you, Shankar.
Nice to
I
meet you
hope
also.
we will connect tomorrow. We will text, okay?
Yes, 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 yes. Okay.
Okay, bye.